What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing a short versus video. MAKITA hammer drill, 5 amp hour battery, fully charged. I know this ain't the newest MAKITA hammer drill that got out, but it is brushless and it is considered to be powerful. And I'll put it up against the Flex hammer drill, turbo mode. Also has a 5 amp hour battery. We'll do MAKITA first. See how it goes. Then this is a 1.25" paddle bit. I am going to try to do it in speed 2 first. If it fails in speed 2, I'll do speed 1. Still in hammer mode. Put it in drill. It is in drill now. It did finish, but it did stop. I think that might have been more of it getting caught on the bottom though. I'm going to take the same paddle bit and I'm going to put it into the Flex. These gloves are slick. Alright, 5 amp hour battery. It's got 3 out of 4 bars. Speed 2. I'm not going to use turbo mode. I'd say that was quite a bit faster. Way faster. That's it for today. I'm going to keep trying to put reviews up with what tools I have right now. Appreciate it.